As a gym girly that goes to the gym 5 days out of the week, I want to share with you my gym bag must-haves that you did not know that you needed. Okay? So let's get it. So y'all, I am so excited to show y'all what's in my gym bag because y'all know I go to the gym 5 days out the week, and these are must-haves that I feel like everybody should have. And this is my bag, y'all. It's so cute. It's a Betty Johnson bag, and I got this at TJ Maxx, and it has hearts all over it. It's so cute. Look, this is what I'm so excited to show you guys about. This ring light. This is a must, especially if you're recording at the gym. Look at it. You just put it on your phone and you turn it on. And in the bathrooms, like locker rooms, it's always dark. I put this on me and I can record progress pictures, videos, TikToks, all that. I love this thing. And I keep batteries in my bag too, just in case they go out. See, here's the extra batteries, just in case your girl, you gotta stay ready, you know what I'm saying? I would hate to be there without my, you know, ring light. And so next is my handy dandy Fendi pack. And this is amazing because I put my phone in here. Y'all, you see people walking around putting their phone on the floor, all their stuff. I keep my phone, my gloves, my workout gloves, and then I keep extra headphones in here, as well as I keep lip gloss and my business cards. Y'all, I be thinking I can meet somebody there, especially like my husband, and probably give him my business card, like flirting tip, you know what I'm saying? Next, a must have is your young lock, you know what I'm saying, for protection. So you could clunk somebody, just kidding. Maybe ladies, if you're being followed, you know what I'm saying, you have protection. But to lock up all your stuff, your purse, your jacket, your gym bag, to lock it all up, must have. You need a snack. For me, sometimes after I leave the gym, I'm so starving that I need something just to get me over until I can get home. Because a lot of times I like to meal prep and I don't want to stop and get something. And so, a young snack. And then you guys, I shower at the gym because I sweat so bad. And I've changed my clothes at the gym. I come in my regular clothes, I just put my sports bra underneath there. And I bring me some shorts, or bring my regular pants. And I have my underwear, fresh underwear and bra. And I just put back on my clothes that I wore to the gym because I only been in it for like 30 minutes just to get to the gym. Put back on my clothes. And then body wash, lotion, and deodorant. And then this is a great tip for your loofah or your rag, is to put it in a sandwich bag because you don't want your clothes or anything in your bag to get wet after you take a shower. I go to Dollar Tree and I get like a pack for like, it's like 90 in it for $1 of the bags, and I just switch them out every day. Next is my lint brush because y'all, I be so linty and I can't stand lint. I can't stand it. Must have. Of course you need your water bottle, and I always fill it up with my alkaline water or whatever spring water I have at the house, so I'm ready to go. Must have is, when you're taking a shower, your flip-flops. And I put them inside of this bag because, like I said, they're wet. I'm walking on the wet floor, so I keep bags in my bag for like my dirty clothes and my flip-flops, just so to keep it sanitized, you know what I'm saying? Every day I'm using this bag. I don't want to just throw my wet flip-flops in and out the bag after I'm walking on the bathroom gym floors. And then your girl has some smell goods to spray myself. And then this one, oh my god, I love this one. This one is my favorite, is a mask. And y'all already know, like, this world, like, people wear a lot of masks because of or whatever, but I like to wear it to be like, when I'm taking my videos and stuff, sometimes I put the mask on my face and I feel so incognito, like sexy. Sexy, you know what I'm saying, with my mask. And so I love this. And then I feel like even in the gym, it's like, who is that girl in the mask? So I have this in a whole bunch of different colors. And then I have me an extra pair of headphones. And I have a mini lint roller. That's it. So these are all my gym bag must-haves that I can't live without, that I need. I packed this bag so full, and I'll be thinking to myself, should I take some of this stuff out? I can't, because I need everything. I use everything in this bag. So you guys, if you're still watching, I appreciate all the love and support. A comment and a like really help your girl out a ton. And always remember that you are perfect. Yes, you're perfect. You are perfectly human. Shout out to all my perfect gang. Throw up them hearts. Gang, 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 gang. Perfect gang or no gang, let's connect. You guys, I love you so much. So much. And until next time we talk, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.